Hello and welcome to the last lesson of our Data First Google Ads Optimization course, Section 1, Analyze. Until now, we have done so many cool things, so make sure to check those videos if you haven't. Now we will talk about attribution models and model comparisons. But by the time I was recording this video, there has been an interesting change in Google Ads and Google Analytics. Google is actually removing attribution models for advertisers. As you can see on my screen in this new It's Explained, Google will only keep data-driven and last-click attributions. So it doesn't make so much sense now for me to walk you through all the attribution models, what they are and so on, but I still need to simply explain what the attribution model is and how it affects you. Let me quickly go through Google Ads conversion settings. If I just go to Tools and Settings and then click Conversion, here under Conversion Settings, we see the conversion action, and then once we click the conversion action, then here we will see the attribution, right? And as I mentioned, Google recommends data-driven already, and all the others will be removed. So there will be only last click and data-driven. What does it even mean? So this is actually how Google explains the attribution model is. Attribution model lets you choose how much credit each ad interaction gets for your conversions. Let me make a live example. I consider buying a TV, so to say, let's say Sony TV LD 42-inch price. Then I come to this website. As you can see here, I clicked an ad. I wrote this keyword. I clicked an ad. I'm like, wow, this is really good. I clicked add to cart. And okay, there is a bug. I hope your website works better than this, but let's say I successfully click add to cart. The next day, I didn't complete this purchase for some reason. The next day I again came to Google, and this time I wrote, because I know the website now, right? So I just wrote LGE, the same website maybe. I just click on the same website and then complete the purchase. As you can see, there were two different keywords that I came in. So maybe it was triggered by two different Google Ads campaigns. Which of the campaigns will receive the attribution? Which of the campaigns will I see in the reports, right? So this is what attribution is. And in data-driven, we kind of trust Google. Google says that, don't worry, I will attribute according to the data, according to the user behavior. First click would attribute to the first search. Last click would attribute to the last one. But as you can see in this example, the first keyword would have lost in the last click attribution. So this search would have gone to branded campaign, but actually I find this website from another keyword, right? So I don't want that to happen. So last click is obviously not a good option. Now we have the data-driven option. We should use data-driven option. So that is what an attribution model is and how it is used. I would like to show you one last thing. I was planning in this video to show you different attribution models, cross-compare the numbers and so on, but it doesn't make sense anymore. However, we will not be able to use it. But I just want to show you why do we have sometimes in the conversions decimals. So sometimes we have 0.5, 0.8, 0.6. It's exactly for the attribution reason. So as you can see here, you have plus 99, plus 28. What does it even mean? It means the attribution again. Google doesn't attribute a full conversion for some reason and then attributes 0.28, 0.33, 0.5 and so on. Maybe the rest of the conversion is attributed to another source, another channel. So this is what attribution model is. To sum up, just use data-driven attribution model and try to trust it because we simply don't have any other choice. And this was the last video of our Google Ads optimization course, Data First Google Ads optimization course. If you haven't checked the previous videos, do check those. I believe you will find a lot of benefits, especially in the third one and fourth one. You might find some winning campaigns, losing campaigns, good products, bad products, and so on. And then from now on, this was the first section of our course. The section is Analyze. In the next section, we will optimize, and then in the last section, we will create. So don't miss those sections as well. Sign up for the updates through our website so that we can send you email once we release the course. Thank you so much for watching until now. I hope it was useful for you, and please let us know your comments through the YouTube comments section. I always want to know how the course went for you. Did you find something useful and so on? So I would be really happy to hear your thoughts on that. If it was useful, especially, or even if it is, I am more than open to hearing any sort of feedback. Have a lovely day ahead, and I hope your return on ad spend will get much better after this course.